Hey guys, so all the Podocarpus is in. I took 15 Podocarpuses and wanted to show you the wire system I have back here. So what you have here is you have a cable right there anchored in and a tightener right there, which is what you're going to want. And then you can see here I just used you can put, depends on how it holds it, you can put these are actually metal screws, and I use them because they have a wider end than a normal screw does, so it holds on to it. You can also put one on the top too. Some of these I did have to put two on the top, but here you can see it's nice and clean, easy maintenance. You can see here I anchored these in, and then I put a screw in both sides so that the pipe cannot rotate back and forth like this. And you can see here I put one of the fasteners right here, as well as this one right here. So these will keep the trees from falling backwards, and everything is all connected to these pipes. Every 3 Podocarpus I put one of these pipes. So you can see here, here's another one, and just right nice and tight, and that'll hold really well. And you can use you can spray paint these the same color as the wall if you want, or you can use metal pipes if you want. That will also work as well. Either one will work, but this is the cheaper way of doing it. And yeah, so nice and clean. Put some fresh manure on the ground, kind of raked it up a little bit, and good to go. So, and then I put, now because it's such a long stretch all the way down, it's about 55 feet, I put another tightener on this end right here. So there's one on both sides. It just makes it a little easier, so it's really tight. Yeah, it's great.